Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh gosh, that little piece of hair is annoying me. Today I'm just filming a tutorial on these beach waves. They're really fun. I haven't done them with short hair and I really like the way they look. I feel very 80s, but you know, I'm about to do an 80s outfit video. So now I have an idea on how to do my hair. But it is supposed to be kind of beach waves, and these will for sure kind of, what do you call it, relax throughout the day and not be so poofy. But if you guys want to see how I got these fun flirty little waves, then just keep watching. Okay, so basically all you're going to need for this tutorial is a beach weaver, which mine is from Bedhead. I think this was like $17. They're super inexpensive. I get a really big wave one. Like, as you can see, it's about 1.5 inches deep for the wave. So yeah, you can get one of those. I know Hot Tools has them too. And then you're gonna need some mousse, but that's not until the end. So right now all you need is the waver. I personally, whenever I have short hair, I like to section it off. So I'm just gonna run a brush through my hair and section off my hair. Why is this crooked? Hair. Okay, so I'm just literally, if I'm looking over there, it's gonna be because my mirror is there, because I'm really scared of burning myself in this thing. But I just take a little 1-inch section and clamp. And I hold for about 5 seconds per wave. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to do the other part. Now I haven't done this with short hair, so we'll see how this looks. Okay. Bottom half is done. Now middle. Okay, so personally, I don't know which way I want to part my hair. I think I want to do a really deep side part, but I'm gonna still put a little bit more over there. So maybe like that. Yeah, that works for me. So now I'm just gonna crimp these little pieces. Okay, now bangs get a little tricky because sometimes they don't turn out right, but I'm just gonna wing it. If anything, I'll just braid them or tuck them behind my ear. Not too bad. Usually I just kind of... Alrighty, so now that I've done all the waving, I'm gonna get my mousse and show you guys what I do with that. Okay, so I just shake up a little bit of mousse. Can use about that much, and I'm just gonna take my hair upside down just kind of crunch it. This does, you know what this hairstyle looks exactly like with my short hair? You guys ever seen Dirty Dancing? I look just like Baby. This is what her hair looks like. Oh well. Yeah. This is pretty much it. It's pretty easy, pretty fun. I usually like this a lot better when I don't have bangs, just because it's not so poofy right here, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. I'm waiting for them to grow out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was somewhat helpful. And if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.